The interior lights are controlled by these keys, located just above the rearview mirror. Touch this key to turn the interior lights on and off. The brightness of the lights can be controlled by this key. The interior lights will turn on when a door is opened and turn off when all the doors are closed. If this switch is in the off position, the lights will remain off when a door is opened. Touch the map light to turn it on or off. Touch the rear personal light once to turn it on, again to dim the light, and once again to turn the light off. The rear cargo light will illuminate when the liftgate is opened and turn off when it closes. For vehicles equipped with personalized ambient lighting, here is how to adjust the settings. Touch Settings, Vehicle, Interior Light, Ambient Lighting, then select the setting you want to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.